Industry of Things World USA. I'm here with Lane Arthur from John Deere. Hi, Lane.
Hi.
And thank you for being here.
You're welcome.
So I would like to ask you a little bit more about how is John Deere involved with the Internet of Things, and if you could give us insights on that.
Sure. So we are and have always been focused on our customers, which are mostly farmers around the world, and how to make our farmers more productive. And we have been using sensors and processors and really this whole Internet of Things to make our machines smarter so that we can enable farmers to be more productive. And we have embedded sensors in our machines so that we can alert farmers in terms of when a machine might need to be repaired. We also have sensors that can help our customers understand how the machines are performing in the field so they'll do a better job. So we use that together with combining that with other data in order to really try to provide the best advice we can to farmers on how to be more productive. And
what are some of the challenges that you're facing at John Deere in terms of implementing the Internet of Things?
Yeah, I would say that there's a couple of challenges. One really has to do with the many partners that a farmer has. They have suppliers, they have contractors, they have other providers that they would work with, and the interoperability so that we can easily move data around is one of our challenges. Another challenge really has to do with the fact that most of this happens outside of in rural areas, so the rural broadband issue becomes an issue for connectivity, right? So,
and which IoT technologies? Because we've been hearing a lot about technologies over the last this morning, basically, and last night. Which technology has the biggest impact on your projects and on your company?
Yeah, I would say the technologies around sensors and their ability to detect changes in moisture and chemical composition will be really important when we think about soils and moisture and even quality of our food. So those kinds of sensors will be really important. Certainly the technology that's evolving to move data from a device to the cloud, and that interoperability will be really important moving forward.
So you're holding a presentation this afternoon?
I do, yes.
Yeah. Can you maybe give us a short introduction to the topic you're gonna discuss?
Yeah, I will. I would summarize it by just saying that really what I'm going to try to do today is paint a picture for this audience on the challenges that agriculture has to feed a world where we have today 7 billion people, and in 35 years we'll have 9.7 billion people. So how do we feed that number of people on about the same amount of land, and how we're using technology and really the Internet of Things to enable our farmers to be more productive so that we can feed those people. So hopefully it'll be exciting. Hopefully they'll learn a little bit about agriculture, and then they'll see how we are applying technology to meet those needs. So,
great topic. We're in the end of the morning of day one, so quite exciting presentations this morning. What do you think of the Industry of Things World USA format? So you had the icebreaker yesterday evening and all the presentations this morning. What do you think of the community in the event so far?
So one of the fun things so far has been the focus on what we can do in the future to really impact the world. And that's been a consistent theme throughout, and that's very exciting.
Well, I think that's a really good point to end this interview, and a pretty interesting note for the future. So thank you very much, Lane, and we're looking forward to your presentation.
Great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.